Mini perfume business is something that is going well now, something that is going viral now, and the girlies are using this to make money in 2026, especially now that it is getting to the end of the year, that period where things are going to become surplus, that period where people buy in surplus quantity, people buy in quantity, everybody is looking for a new thing to start as the economy is growing, so as our bank account has to grow. Now, mini perfume business is something that people are already going into, and you as a person should start looking at this particular business. If you are thinking of the business you want to go into that will not cost you much money, that will not cost you too much money, too much effort, that is something that is doing well. Mini perfume business, selling of mini perfumes is something that is doing well now. Now, when I say selling of mini perfumes in like designer, all these designer perfumes in mini pack, in small small pack. Yeah, if you cannot afford the big one, then people will buy the smaller version from you. So basically selling you are selling the mini design or the mini quantity of these bigger perfumes in smaller bottles. That is what it means. Now, let me show you how to start this business in 2026. Now, for you to be able to start this business, yes, of course, you need to learn how to import from China. There is no way you will not learn how to import from China. So let me show you how to actually start this business, how to go on China's Chinese website and shop for um these perfumes and bring them into your country.
Now for this we are going to be using 1688. We are going to be using 1688 to find this supplier or to find people we are going to be buying from for us to bring it into our country. Now go over to the search bar and just search for mini perfumes. Search for it. Good. Now we have different people, different suppliers selling. Now the only people we are going to be looking at are certified merchants. Not everyone here are certified merchants. Certified merchants on 1688 are people that are actually certified, like people that this app 1688 already recognized, that are recognized, like registered to the company, like registered on 1688, like they are verified on 1688. These are certified merchants. As you can see, not everyone is a certified merchant, so we are going to be purchasing from certified merchants. Now one after the other, we'll just tap and look through their page. Okay, now we have this. You can see it says 14k BTL sold. That means 14k bottle. BTL, it means bottle sold. Okay, now I'm going to scroll down to see. We have different category. We have product review 10 plus, 10 product review, 4.6 star rating. Okay, let me tap on add to cart. If you tap on add to cart, you are going to see the bottle they have, see the things they have in store. Now this particular this let's say we choose this. Now let you add one to cart. It means you can see it here in my naira. In naira, it means it's 882.78 naira. You can see it is a 7.5 mil. 7.5 mil. Look at it down here, 882.78 naira. Okay, MOQ one bottle, meaning you can buy one or more. So if you choose another one again, add to cart, you can see 570 something. You can see they are adding up. Now look through this, look through it. These are the mini perfumes these ones have in store. Okay, these are the mini perfumes they have in store. Now if you want to buy from this supplier, if you okay, let me settle down for this particular person, you can go ahead to first of all chat them up. To chat them up, this one here, this part here says chat. You tap on it and you chat with them. Okay, chat with this supplier, ask for direct footage, like ask for real footage, raw footage from the supplier, ask for raw images, like ask for images, product images from the supplier, ask for it. Okay, check the reviews, check the star, check the amount of bottle they've sold. As you can see, this particular vendor has sold 14,000 bottles. Now let's move to another one. let's go to another part. We've checked this. Now let's check on this particular one. Okay, it's a Q version of ladies perfume, black crow heads, no man's land, rose, blah blah blah. You can see we are going to look through it again, and that I like to look for, like I said, is the reviews. Now good, this one has more reviews. It even has pictures from people that's even bought it before. You can see the pictures of people that have actually bought these things. Look at the picture, look at it. Good. So we already have picture references of people that's actually bought from them before. They have over 100 review. So if you tap on it, you can actually read it. It's in Chinese, so you can screenshot it and read it at your own pace. It has they have 4.7 star. Now when you tap on add cart, these are the color classifications of what they have. Their bottles are 5 ml. You understand? Every 5 ml, their bottles are 5 ml. Now let's say I want to choose. Let's say I'm choosing this one. I tap on the one I want. I go down. I tap on the amount I want. 1, 2, 3. Let's say I'm choosing 3. I scroll back. I look for another one I want to do with Miss Coco. Come back. Choose the amount I want. I don't know if you understand. I look for another one again. Take one, choose the amount I want. You can see it now. With all the amount I've even put in my cart, since it's just 2,074, you can get for as low as 375.18 naira. Let's say 380 naira. As you can see it, one piece costs 375 point something naira. So if you tap on add carts, you are going to this particular vendor. Their own is for you to choose the one you want to go for and add the amount. Add the amount you want. So their bottle, every of their bottle is 5 ml. You understand? So you choose the one you want. You add the number of that particular one you want to get. Good. Now let's go to another supplier. Let's look for one more merchant supplier. Okay, we have this. Okay, this is not a mini perfume. Okay, this is a mini perfume. This one is not a mini perfume, it is boxed perfume. If you want to deal with boxed perfume, this is it. Listen, I think these people are about boxed perfume. It is not mini perfume. This is okay, perfume sets. You understand? This is sets, not the normal mini perfume. They are mini set perfumes. They are mini perfumes but in sets. You understand? So let's check the 3,000 product reviews, 5 star. Okay, wow. Okay, I'm seeing pictures from people that has actually gotten this before. Okay, good. This is very, very good. Good. The reviews are a lot, and we are seeing more product. Like we are seeing the product from buyers. Very good. So this is a go-to. This is a go-to. So if I tap on add to carts, I can choose from any boxed perfume that I want to get. Any one I want to get, you can choose. Now if I choose this one, let's scroll down to see how much it is. You can see it says 201 beautiful life 3-piece sets, 16.80 yuan, meaning like it is approximately to 3,707 naira 69 kobo. You can see this particular box, so you can just add the amount you want. Okay, this is an example. You choose the one you want, you add the amount you want for that particular box. So now we are done with this one. I hope you understand how to actually source for suppliers yourself, how to actually buy this by yourself. Now when I buy this myself, you can either now choose to pay with your Alipay account or to use a procurement agent. When you want to use a procurement agent, you send them the link of what you want to buy, send them the link and the amount you want to, like send them the link and the amount. Okay, this particular one, I want 3 pieces, and they will purchase it for you. Or you tap on Alipay to make payment with Alipay. Once you are done adding everything to cart, to make payment with Alipay, you do your thing yourself, you make your payment yourself. and the goods will be transferred to your warehouse. Don't forget to set up your I've taught you how to set up your 1688 account. You set up the account, so following the address you drop there, they will send it to your Chinese warehouse. So your Chinese warehouse will be the one to prepare it and then bring it over to your country. I hope it is understandable. So this is how you can actually shop for mini perfumes and bring them to your country and sell. You can see mini perfumes as low as 300 naira, 1 point something yuan. You can buy this and then bring it to your country and sell at a rate of, like, at your own rates, and make a lot of money, especially now that December is coming and now that a lot of people are going to start shopping. It is cheap. People will want to go into it. So yes, this is how to do it. If you have any question, you know where to ask me, my comments, and yeah, of course, I will be glad to answer you. We'll see you again in the next video, guys.